Hello there, guys, and this is our trip to bundok on Saturday. So so let's get searching for something what that I don't know. Oh, calamansi. Let me show you. So this is in calamansi, and it's kinda sour. Oh, I found some more. My mommy just gave some for the vlog. Spoiler alert. This is only English. Also, we're hunting for some berries. Come on, let's go, mommy. Let's go search for some berries.
Oh no more berries na. Guyabano na lang daw. Meron na bang mapitas?
So here are the berries, but they are nowhere to be seen. So here are the fruits, and I don't know what's that.
This is what you call guyabano. What's that the English of guyabano? Ano
I think it's a gawabana. I think it's a gawabana. So what is this, guys? I don't even know also, but let's get searching.
Coconut.
Oh, these are.
Sugar apple is atis.
I think that's a.
Huwag na muna kung wala na. May maluto na ba?
That's a gawabana.
May hinog na?
I think.
Wow, ang daming bunga, Rayo. Oh, let's
That's
get
a
some.
gawabana. I think this is a.
Ito kilo sa mababa. Ang laki. Ay, ito yata. Yung rayong buko na mapipitas. Tropical coconut. Ayun pa.
Is that a
More guyabano here, oh.
gawabana?
Ay, ang dami, oh.
Maybe I call this gawabana.
Oh, huwag na muna. Bawal pang pitasin. Waiting pa. Waiting.
Yay!
Ayun, ang dami sa taas.
Yo, can we go home now? I'm getting tired.